Lentils have been cooked, maybe 80% of the way. And goes onions and garlic. The same oil that I just fried all of this scrumptious stuff, onion in it. So the oil is already flavored with the onion. So fry this up a little bit, get all the flavors going. Then I've got my roasted cumin seeds that I just dry roasted in a pan, and then while the pan was hot, added my ground coriander, which I could have put seeds too, but I couldn't find any in my pantry. I don't know where to put it. So, stir. Some brown, yummy garlic in there. Okay. Add the lentils back in. Okay, the soaked rice. So the rice and lentils are all happily acquainted with the garlic and onion and all the spices. And now I'm going to add some salt and some water to cook it. And goes the salt. So the way I tell how much water I need is by sticking my finger, and it's that much. The water's not that hot yet, but it could get hot, so you have to do it in the beginning. And yeah, the salt is in. So after I mix it around a bit more, I'm going to taste the seasoning, make sure the salt is okay, because I could use a little bit more. Okay. Now I'm going to cover it and let it cook. The rice was soaked for about 30 minutes in warm water, and the lentils were soaked and then cooked more than halfway. So this dish will come together pretty quickly. Right, so it was like 15-20 minutes and it's done. Here's the finished mujadara. This is with the fried onion on top, and I also like to sprinkle some dried mint. You can serve it with a side of a yogurt that has cumin powder, paprika, dried mint, salt, and some garlic. That's really yummy. Or you can keep it simply vegan and take the yogurt out, or make cashew cream yogurt, which I can share a recipe also. So here it is. I hope you enjoy.